Hi guys, in today's video I will show you how to compute grades using a Microsoft Excel. So we're asked here to compute for the written works, performance task, and quarterly assessment of the 5 students to get their raw grades, their transmuted grades, as well as their ranking and their awarding. So just remember before we start that in any formula that we will use, always begin it with an equal sign. So for the total, the function that we'll use here is an sum. So just type equal, then type sum. Click the first score of the student. Okay, so as you can see, there is a moving dotted line. So just drag this out after the last score given and then enter. So just drag this out after the last student. And then second one, so we're asked to compute for the percentage score. For the percentage score, it's different formula. So equal sign. So the score of the student will be divided to their highest percentage score or the item given. Then their quotient will be multiplied by 100. Then just enter. So your highest percentage score is just similar to all of the 5 students. So let's just make it stable by putting a dollar sign between the letter and the number. So then enter. Just drag this out to the last student. Then you get your percentage score for the written works. So same process for the performance task and quarterly assessment. So equal sign, sum, your first score, just drag this out. Then enter, drag this after your last student, then your percentage score, open parenthesis, the score of the student divided by the highest percentage multiplied by 100, put a dollar sign to make this table, then enter, then just drag this again. Then we have completed a performance test. Next, for the quarterly assessment, we're only given one quarterly assessment per quarter. So we just need to compute for their percentage score. So equal sign, the score of the student divided by the highest percentage score. So highest percentage score, So highest percentage score, then multiplied by 100, then enter. So let's make this one stable. The highest percentage score, then enter. Just drag this out. Then you get your quarterly assessment. For their raw grades, different formula. So equal sign. The percentage score of the different areas will be multiplied by the percentage given on particular area. So for the performance task, just click the percentage score, then multiply it by the percentage given. So it's 40%, then will become 0.14 decimal point. And then just add, open parenthesis, the percentage score for the performance task, multiplied by 0.40, then add, then just add the performance, the quarterly assessment. So we have Q3, so multiplied by 0.20 as a 20%, then enter, so it becomes 100. So just drag this out to the last student. So let's decrease the decimal point of the student. So if you wanted to make this one 2 decimal point, just drag this out, or just click here, click here, click here, click here and the control tab. Then you can see here decrease decimal point. So click this one up to 2 decimal places. Okay, for the transmutation table, different formula to get the transmitted grades of the given student. So equal sign, then the lookup function. So we have to use lookup function for the transmitted grades. Then open parenthesis, click the first score of the student, then comma, go to your sheet 2. Your sheet 2 is your transmutation table. Click the first up to the last given transmutation table. So in this case, I could not drag this up to the last, so I just type the number. So A1 up to B41. Where do I get the B41? The given score here is B41. Okay, so before that, I will show you how I get the B41. If you can see here, it's up to the B41. 100 is on the B41. It's B41. B41. Okay, so let's just start the transmitted grades. So equal sign, then lookup function, open parenthesis, click the first student raw grades, then colon, go to your sheet 2, then just type A1, okay, the zero, A1, and then up to B41. Then enter. So you have your transmitted grade for the first student. To make this table, okay, the A1 and the B41 is just similar to all of the 5 students. So let's make this stable by putting $sign here and $sign here. So just enter, drag this out, then you have your transmitted grades for the 5 students. For the ranking, different function equals rank, open parenthesis, your first student up to your last student, okay? And then put here the first student you wanted to know its ranking, then colon, close parenthesis. So let's make this S4 and S8 stable because they're all similar. So $sign here, then enter. So just drag this out. Then you have your ranking. So we have 2 rank 1 and 2 rank 4. So for the awarding, maybe this is the longest formula. So the if function. So equals the if function, and then click the first student, transmuted. Okay, the first one that you click will be the transmuted grades of the given student. Then greater than, if the student is greater than 90, or if he or she get the 90, then with honors. So greater than 90, just type 90, and then colon, open parenthesis, write WH, which means with honor, close quotation mark, and then again, we have the colon, if function again, open parenthesis, S4. So I just don't click it, I just type it to make it faster, and then greater than 95. 95 is equivalent to with high honors. So with high honor, and then colon again. So you have your if function again. Open parenthesis, always open parenthesis, because later on we will close those open parenthesis. Then greater than 97. 97 is equivalent to what ranking or what award? It's equivalent to with high honor. Okay? Sorry. Okay, so with high honor, let's say this with high honor. So which WHS, and after that, colon again, if function, if the students have lower average of 90, let's make them, or let's fill in the blank as passed. Okay, so if, open parenthesis again, S4 is less than 95, because the students does not get the highest percentage score, or the 90, right? And then colon again, open quotation mark, so let's type here passed, then close quotation mark, then let's end those 4 open parentheses in the given if function. So 1, 2, 3, 4, therefore, maybe therefore, so let's count it, 1, 2, 3, and so 1, 2, 3, 4. So just enter, then you get passed. Then just drag this out. Okay, so the students who are rank 1, they have the average of 91 and 91. So the award that they have is with honors. And the rest of those students, though they passed, they got the lower 90 in average. Okay, so that's all. Maybe you can you've understand what have been discussed today. Just see me in next video. Thank you.